Good morning, students. Today, in the first chapter of our English textbook, the title of the chapter is How Daddy Was Always Late. It is written by Alexander Boryosovich Raskin. Alexander Raskin was a Russian writer and a poet. He became for his humorous and satirical writing. His famous children's book, When Daddy Was a Little Boy, contains numerous stories that narrates incidents and adventures from a father's childhood as told to his daughter. Now, in this chapter, he is saying that when Daddy was a little boy, he always went to school late. All the other children came to school before the bell rang. Daddy's parents were unable to do anything about it. Every evening, the same old story would repeat itself. Grandma would always ask him, "Have you done your homework?" And the answer was, "Wait a second." Grandma would say to him, "Stop reading other books and start your homework." But little Daddy would finish the page and start a new one. He couldn't put down an interesting book to start doing the dull lessons. Finally, Grandma and Grandpa would lose their patience and snatch the book from little Daddy. Then little Daddy would feel displeased. He would begin to weep and demanded his book. And so the evening would slip away. When little Daddy finally sat down to do his homework and he started feeling sleepy and could not do his homework properly. In the morning it was a different story. Grandma would say, "Get up or you will be late to school." But the same answer came, "Wait a second." We all know that it is very hard to get up when we go to bed late the night before. We all have the sweetest dreams in the morning, especially when we have to go to school. Time marched steadily on while little Daddy stretched and yawned, pulled his clothes on, dazed through his breakfast, and finally managed to get his book together. Then he went out of the house and running to school. Since little Daddy did his homework at the last minute, he never did it well. He was always late for school and often missed the teacher's explanation of a new subject. He was always confused. It became a habit for him. Little Daddy was always late for his whole life. He was late for school, late for college, late for work. He lost out on many things in life because of this bad habit. Even now, Daddy doesn't know how to walk slowly. He is always in a hurry because he is used to being late. Now the students, what you will have to do? You will have to write the difficult words from your textbook with their meanings in your notebooks, and also have to learn it. The next, you do all the exercises which is given in your textbook, and there is no questions and answers in this chapter. So finish all the exercises. Try hard, consult your dictionary, whatever you feel that it is difficult for you, and do complete your homework. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.